Welcome back to Shib, everyone. Amazon's recent actions helped Shiba Inu coin surpass $1 this year. Today's SHIB news. The Shiba Inu community has stayed optimistic and has continued to expand thanks to the meme coin's increasing adoption. The Shiba Inu ecosystem is working on a number of initiatives, such as the blockchain-based games Shibarium, a Layer 2 network, and Shib. The metaverse, a much-anticipated metaverse. We'll discuss what Amazon did with Shiba Inu coin to help it hit $1 this year in this video. Today's SHIB news. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get the video started right now. In the past, members of the Shiba Inu community built Welly, a burger restaurant run by the doggy DAO that takes SHIB. Earlier this year, the Turkish government also announced aspirations to collaborate with the meme coin ecosystem. It is anticipated that the activities would transform the SHIB token from a cryptocurrency parody to something more significant, which will significantly increase its value. SHIB has increased 4.3% during the past day to trade at 0.93. Plans to introduce additional liquidity pools for Shiba Inu ecosystem tokens, including as SHIB, BONE, and Leash, to its CFA-RMDY platform, have been disclosed by Civilization, the first decentralized investment fund in history. The three pools, the SHIB 1 LP staking pool, BONE 1 LP staking pool, and Leash 1 LP staking pool, will be referred to as Ryoshi Tribute Pools as a whole, according to the protocol, which was announced in a blog post. The moment has come for Safemoon to launch new DAO pools. In recent weeks, the community has shown a great deal of interest in a project called Ryoshi Tribute for the inaugural session of DAO pools. It further stated that a proposal to include the pools on its governance platform, Safemoon DAO, had been put out for community vote. The voting period will run until November 27 and is open to all community members who own Stone, the ecosystem rewards token. 13 votes have been cast in favor of adding the pools to the proposal. The pools will be accessible on Safemoon for 60 days following the day of activation following the conclusion of voting. The adoption of SHIB has been pushed by Civilization more and more. The Shiba community and the pseudonymous developer of SHIB, Kusama Ryoshi, are credited with inspiring the protocol, which was introduced precisely 1 year after Shiba Inu was founded. Through its CIV Community Investment Vehicle token, which has also been listed on new CFI and DY exchanges, Civilization aims to make investments accessible to anyone. The most recent positive development in the Shiba Inu ecosystem in recent years is the Present Civilization initiative. Additionally, the Shiba Inu community welcomed a significant agreement with Amazon this week, which will see the e-commerce behemoth launch a campaign to assist in burning SHIB tokens. Similarly, Ryoshi hinted in a tweet that the World Economic Forum, which is thinking of collaborating with the meme coin to assist in the creation of metaverse regulations, may be keeping an eye on the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The price of SHIB may soon rise above bearish trading and hit new highs as a result of these initiatives. The most recent price data indicates that the meme coin is trading at around 0.89, down 1.12% over the past day. Compared to the SHIB all-time high price of 0.000087 in October 2021, the current price indicates an 89.8% decline. Meme coins have become one of the most well-liked cryptocurrency assets in the market despite being relatively new. The dogecoin competitor has emerged as one of the most spectacular assets, creating waves in the cryptocurrency sector, with Shiba Inu at the forefront. The foundation of the SHIB network's ongoing expansion and development is strategic alliances and teamwork. Shiba Inu has landed a huge transaction at a time when most virtual currencies are struggling to survive the wider turbulence in the crypto market. Athish Shoes, a footwear manufacturer, has teamed with Bitay, a developer of cryptocurrency payment solutions, to accept Shiba Inu as payment. It's interesting to note that consumers who choose to pay using the K9 token might benefit from a temporary 10% discount. Additionally, since the majority of platforms have started to expand the use of the token on their payment networks, the meme coin has been gradually evolving into a useful cryptocurrency asset that tourists may utilize. Among cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu has become one of the most popular utility assets. After incorporating it into the Binance card, which enabled Visa cardholders to spend SHIB at around 60 million merchant locations globally, Binance increased its awareness. With greater support from its active community, Shiba Inu has seized the opportunity to overtake its primary competitor, Dogecoin, as the premier meme token. Several companies have already integrated SHIB for payment via BT, making it one of the most popular meme tokens for transactions. It was created as an alternative to Doge. The new collaboration marks yet another significant turning point for the leading meme cryptocurrency, which aims to overtake Dogecoin as the best. SHIB is the most popular cryptocurrency token among the top 2,000 ETH whale holdings, according to data from the whale tracking website WhaleStats. According to reports, the ETH whales own more than $68 million worth of the joke cryptocurrency, but with more than $43.5 million, UNI is in second place, while BEAST tokens are in third. Comparably, SHIB ranked fourth as the most held cryptocurrency token among the top 100 ETH whales. As of right now, the top 100 Ethereum whales own 74,299,481,235 SHIB tokens, valued at $690,838. However, the number of whale addresses that own SHIB is growing, and the latest action indicates that the token presents opportunities for big ETH whales. However, whales are still able to hold more of the meme asset despite market fluctuations. Speculation and two events partnerships and recent whale activity have the biggest impact on the price of the cryptocurrency market. Because of these two recent occurrences in the environment, SHIB's price may rise. Shiba Inu is down 2.7% over the past day, trading at $0.9399. Data indicates that a large number of investors think Shiba Inu is not a utility coin. Our assessment team found that SHIB's most effective weapon is marketing, even as that issue lingers. When the majority of altcoins consolidated in October 2021, the coin experienced a rise. Utilizing the buzz Dogecoin generated during the meme coin era to position itself as a superior substitute was the driving force behind its incredible surge. After Dogecoin peaked, investors looked for another meme coin, and SHIB was in the right place at the right moment. Many investors questioned the usefulness of SHIB even before it gained popularity in 2021. However, a lot of investors purchased the token due to speculation, which caused demand to rise sharply. When positive market mood is combined with successful marketing methods, Shiba Inu has enormous potential. The amount of tokens burned by Shiba Inu has increased, reaching 134 million SHIB in a single week, with 223,264,370 SHIB tokens burned in the last 7 days. Shiba Inu has seen a rise in its token burn rate. When you consider that just 106,780,540 SHIB were burned and 29 transactions were made the week before, this is a significant increase in burning speed. This indicates that the current weekly total indicates an almost 100% rise in the number of tokens burned over this period. Normally, Shiba Inu's burning rate might have an impact on SHIB's price, which seems to have pumped this past week. Actually, SHIB was worth $0.8244 last Tuesday. SHIB is currently valued $0.9106, having even touched the price of $0.999595 over the week. Not at all like the week before, when the price of SHIB seemed to drop in addition to the reduced burning. SHIB was valued at around $0.9167 on November 15, and it was exactly at a lower value on November 22nd. However, October closed at 0.12, indicating that SHIB is still in a bearish trend on a monthly basis. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.